Install the transfer plate to the machine. Before using the new machine for the first time, turn the emergency switch upwards and unscrew it. The machine can be pulled out to the desired width by rotating the two knobs below the machine. When starting up, first turn on the main power switch, then activate the heating and cooling functions in order. Use the up button to increase or the down button to decrease the value until the desired temperature is displayed. Once the temperature is set, press the set button again. Since the optimal sealing temperature varies depending on the material and thickness of the bags, we recommend testing at several different temperatures to determine the best setting for your specific bags. The black knob controls the bag feeding speed. If you press the emergency switch, the machine will stop immediately. To restart, remember to rotate the emergency switch to release it.